This video shows you how to send PNG images on WhatsApp without losing quality. So your images keep their original resolution, sharp details, and transparent background. To get started, go to open WhatsApp and head to the chat where you'd like to send the PNG file. Instead of choosing the image from your gallery, tap the paperclip attachment icon next to the message box. From the menu that appears, select Document. This is the key step because images sent through the gallery are automatically compressed by WhatsApp to save data and storage space. Compression can reduce image quality and may affect how the PNG is displayed. After selecting Document, tap Browse Other Docs. To open your phone's file manager, navigate to the folder where your PNG image is stored. Once you've found the correct file, tap on it and then choose Send. WhatsApp will now send the PNG as a document rather than a regular photo. This allows the file to remain completely unchanged during transfer. The recipient will receive the exact same PNG file you selected, including its original size, high resolution, and transparent background. This trick is perfect for sharing logos, graphic designs, digital artwork, product images, stickers, or any PNG file where image quality matters. It's also a great option for professionals who need to send design assets without sacrificing clarity. Once the recipient downloads the file, they can open and use it exactly as intended with no loss in quality. And just like that, you've successfully sent PNG images on WhatsApp without losing quality, preserving every detail of the original image.